Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore Figma's powerful auto layout feature. Auto layout allows you to create flexible, responsive designs effortlessly. So let's get started. Auto layout in Figma helps you design with consistent spacing, alignment, and resizing behaviors. It's perfect for creating buttons, list cards, and even entire layouts that adapt to content changes. Let's start by opening a new file in Figma. So first, let's create a simple button. Here I'm going to draw a rectangular using the rectangle tool, and I'm going to add text inside it. So here, as you can see, we have just added a rectangular tool, and then I'm going to add a text. Now I'm going to add a text like buy now. So it should be like a buy now button. So just a simple button, just an example here. Now once done, select both the rectangle and text. And then what you can do here is right click and then choose the add auto layout. Or basically you can use shortcut Shift plus A on your keyboard. Now with auto layout applied, you can adjust properties like the padding, spacing, or the alignment. In the right hand sidebar, you'll see the auto layout properties. So let's increase the padding and adjust spacing between text and the button edges. For example, here we can just manually type in, for example, I'm going to put 20. So here, as you can see. Next, we'll create a list using a auto layout. We're going to draw a few rectangles to represent list items. And I'm going to basically add a color to each shapes. So here, as you can see. And then once done, what we can do here is basically we're going to select all the rectangles. So I'm going to use the move tool and then select all. And then right click and then choose add auto layout. And here you will see that the Figma automatically arranged them in a vertical stack. So as you can see here, we're going to adjust the sides and it arranged automatically in a vertical stack. So one of the powerful features of auto layout is the ability to nest auto layout frames. So let's create a card with an image, title, and description. So first, we're going to apply the auto layout to each section. So here, for example, I'm going to delete this one first, and I'm going to use another layout like this. Here, as you can see. And now what we can do here is we can apply auto layout to each section, just like this. And then we can combine them into a single auto layout frame for the card. So as you can see, auto layout makes responsive design easy. So when you resize a frame with auto layout, the content adjusts automatically. So you can resize a button, the card, and you can see how the auto layout keeps everything aligned and spaced correctly. And that's it. That's how you basically learned how to use Figma's auto layout feature to create flexible, responsive designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.